Even today, 50% of the farmers are still dependent on rainfall for farming. Water plays a critical role in India's food security and welfare, as 84% of water is dedicated to agriculture. Since 2010, Madhya Pradesh has embarked on an irrigation expansion and modernization plan. These efforts have been rewarded by record annual agricultural growth of 20% over the last 3 years. The state plans to further increase the total irrigated area to 59 lakh hectares by 2025. This will be achieved by maximizing irrigation efficiency and water productivity by implementing pressurized distribution network in 80% of all irrigated areas.
पानी दिए हमारे को तो बहुत दिक्कत आ रही और कैसे पिलाए पानी हो तो हम बहुत सी पैदावार बढ़ा सकते हैं।
पानी के लिए तो फसलें तरस रही है, नुकसान हो रहा है दिन पे दिन। रोज जैसे उड़द में तो 25% नुकसान हो चुका है। इसमें कटौती हो रही, फसल में पैदावारी कम होगी। पानी अगर आजकल में गिर जाए तो फिर भी सुधर सकती, नहीं तो बिगड़ रही फसल।
गवर्नमेंट का कर्जा, खाद बीज का कर्जा, अभी इस साल जो बगीचा नहीं आया हमारे को, पर बहुत मुसीबत हो रही है हमारे को। कर्जा कैसे देंगे हम सरकार को?
पानी नहीं आता है, नहीं तो बहुत परेशानी आती है हमें। टैंकर से पानी पौधे को पिलाते हैं।
पानी होगा तो हम पक्की फसल कर सकते हैं, लहसुन वगैरह, कलौंजी वगैरह, मेथी वगैरह अच्छी फसल कर सकते हैं।
पानी हो तो दुगनी पैदा हो जाए।
पानी आ गया तो फिर नहीं बिगड़ेगी फसल। घर में खुशहाली भी तो पानी आने के बाद में क्या कमी है? मन चाहे जो फसल कमाएंगे हम। पानी आने के बाद तो फिर कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं रहेगी। पूरी कोशिश करेंगे, 110% पैदावारी बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे।
जो फसल खड़ी है सबको पानी पिलाएंगे। उसके बाद में लहसुन है, गेहूँ है, कोई कलौंजी है, जो चीजें जो सब बोएंगे।
To address the requirements of the farmers, the government of Madhya Pradesh Water Resources Department has an ambitious program to increase water use efficiency through various projects such as major, medium, minor and lift irrigation projects. One such project is the Garod Pressurized Micro Irrigation Major Project. The Madhya Pradesh Water Resources Department has awarded the Garod project to Offshore Infrastructures Limited for execution. The project is located in Bhanpura Tehsil of Mandsaur district. This project is divided into two parts, Kanwali and Rewa Barrage. Sai Sanket, a technology integrator and smart solution provider to water management projects, who are in the business since 1999. Sai Sanket is implementing smart water management solutions through innovative Israeli technologies. The Kanwali Pumping Station. This pumping station is responsible for pumping water from the Gandhi Sagar Dam. The intake well is 19 meters in diameter and 23.4 meters deep. Using slip-form construction technology, the construction of intake well was completed in record time of just 1 month. There are 5 sets of vertical turbine pumps, each delivering 1,238 liters of water per second. This goes to a storage tank on a hilltop 3 kilometers away. The total pipeline length of 429 kilometers covers 41 villages within a command area of 15,000 hectares. The Rewa Barrage Pumping Station. This pumping station pumps water from the Rewa barrage. There are 5 sets of vertical turbine pumps, each delivering 527 liters of water per second to an overhead tank located in the vicinity. The total pipeline length of 145 kilometers covers a command area of 6,400 hectares to deliver water through a pressurized distribution network. A solar power plant with capacity of 7 megawatts is a part of this project, which will offset electricity consumed by the pumping station. A team of experts did a detailed survey of the command area and further designed the water distribution network using state-of-the-art KY pipe software, which will ensure equitable distribution of water to all the checks at desired pressure. Using Sai Sankate's smart solutions, the farmers will send a request to the control room with respect to the type of crop and the water required for the crop. Once it is approved, he will receive required quantity of water for his farming needs. The command area of 21,400 hectares is divided into checks of 20 hectares, further subdivided into 5 hectares with water delivery outlets for 0.6 to 1.2 hectares. To ensure last mile delivery, world's best water management system is being installed in the project, consisting of various innovative solutions such as bladder vessel based surge protection system. This provides excellent maintenance-free compressed air based surge protection system for the pipeline. It protects pipeline from extremely low and high pressure conditions, thereby preventing future leakages and likely pipe burst conditions. Air management system. Preventing entrapment of air along the pipeline is the key to maintain high carrying capacity of the pipeline. These air valves are designed and developed by world's best Israeli ARI system. Air management system is placed at regular intervals to identify the leakages in the pipeline. This system is equipped with Sai Sankate's smart solutions, which monitors the system 24/7 to take preventive measures for ensuring trouble-free operation. Distribution Management System. The DMS controls as well as measures the flow of water to individual chuck. The distribution management system is wirelessly connected through Sai Sankate's smart technology, which avoids draining of the pipe network. Control valve, also known as C-valve. This allows rapid response to fluctuating hydraulic conditions, thus maintaining constant and stable pressure. The rapid opening and slow closing of C-valve causes less turbulence and hence helps in reducing the surge in the system. Rotation Management System. The RMS ensures supply of water to alternate outlets at predefined intervals as per the cropping patterns and approved water usage. These systems are solar powered with battery backup, ensuring 24/7 working of the smart system to control flow rate and volume for designated time period. Booster Pump Station. Booster pumping stations will be installed at various locations for online boosting of water to pockets of high elevation areas. The pumps installed in booster pumping stations will operate in tandem with main pumping station using the hydraulic SCADA system with the help of wireless communication. hydraulic SCADA system. All components of the pressurized distribution network are controlled through a hydraulic SCADA system, which provides live updates on registered mobile phones, besides giving access on demand to historical data. The complete system can be monitored and controlled remotely through cloud computing technology and wireless communication system. This system allows for informed decisions in cases of vandalism, pipe leakage, and unattended deficiencies in the system in real time. The system sends SMS alerts and notifications. These will reduce the operational costs and improve delivery service. With these state-of-the-art innovative technologies and smart solutions, Sai Sanket ensures trouble-free operations and efficient delivery of water in the command area. Sai Sanket works closely for the socio-economic upliftment of farmers by forming a water user association, which gives information on the project and also create awareness on efficient use of water for their crops and scientific techniques for agriculture. Farmer Producers Organization is another initiative to bring farmers together and educate them about cropping patterns for different seasons. This cropping pattern is designed considering the soil and atmospheric conditions in a specific area. Farmers Producer Organization also helps the farmers to grow high-quality produce based on the market demand and also identify suitable buyers. With increase in food produce, mega food parks can be set up in association with government agencies. This will help in establishing food processing factories and other ancillary industries to create ready-made market locally for the farm produce. This creates an entire ecosystem in local area, empowering the farmers and generating employment. Sai Sanket is committed to bring a positive change by implementing world-class technologies and bring a socio-economic transformation in the Indian agriculture sector. Sai Sanket, the harbinger of Green Revolution.